Jai Srimanarayana. 13th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Vidhihinam asrushtannam mantrahinam adakshinam श्रद्धाविरहितं यज्ञं तामसं परिचक्षते। ॐ Do yajna under the guidance of authoritative acharyas. Do not ignore scriptural injunctions. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do yajnas under the guidance of authoritative acharyas. I shall never ignore scriptural injunctions. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukadamrutadravasanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 345th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, in Nandavraj, all the Gopikas performing one vrata, Katyayani vrata, in order to get Sri Krishna Paramatma as their husband. In the process of that vrata, one of those days, they have gone to Yamuna river. They kept all their clothes on the banks of the river and they started taking bath in the Yamuna river. At that time, Krishna Paramatma along with his friends reached over there. Then Krishna Paramatma, he is saying to his friends, Kadala Kundani Todi Varala Kanusannala Nilpuchun Padamulloyyana Nela Bettuchu Padmanetrudu Mauniyai. Krishna Paramatma said, my dear friends, do not move, just keep quiet. Like that, he made a signs with his eyebrows. Then, without making any noise, Krishna Paramatma slowly stepping towards the cloths. He is bending himself. He is hiding behind the bushes. Finally, he reached slowly to that cloths, and he took all those cloths. Right next, there is one tree. He climbed to that tree. Tasam vasamsi upadaya nipam Arukhya hasadbhihi prahasan balaihi parihasam vuvachaha. Krishna Paramatma has stolen all those cloths of Gopikas and climbed over a big tree. After reaching there, he laughed loudly. Then all his friends also laughed. After that, Krishna Paramatma saying to Gopikas, oh my dear Gopikas, atra agatya abalaha, you come here and take your clothes. I know you all got tired after performing this Katyayani Vratam. But now I am not joking. I am telling you truth. You come here, you take your clothes. Like that Krishna Paramatma saying to Gopikas. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Vishvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter 13th sloka. Vidhihi namasruštannam mantrahinamadakshinam shraddhavirahitam yajñam tamasam parichakshate. Vidhihi namasruštannam mantrahinam adakshinam shraddhavirahitam yajñam tamasam parichakshate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.